Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Here's what you can do if your audio is not detected on Capcut PC. So if it's your microphone audio, select your microphone, select this microphone button, and then go to input device and select the correct one. If it has an issue with the audio on your speaker or on your earphone, go to menu, go to settings, and you are going to go to the performance tab, I think, and then as you can see there is a sound output button, and you're going to select the correct output button, press save, and that's pretty much it. Really super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!